Hi guys. We have just been placed under a mandatory lockdown. We made our slime. Good morning, friends. I hope y'all are having a great morning so far. It is raining here. Rain always makes me sleepy though, but I have lots to do today. I'm gonna get the house cleaned, catching up on some news while I enjoy my coffee. The boys are playing in their room, the messy room, but I just kind of wanted to catch up with you guys. For those of you that don't know, we live in Tennessee and we have just been placed under a mandatory lockdown for the next 2 weeks, I believe. So, from what I understand, it's not extremely different from what we were already under. They just will be actually doing like random traffic stops to see if you are allowed on the road or not. Obviously, you can go to the grocery store if you need to the pharmacy, doctor's appointments, medical things like that. But other than that, you can't be out on the road just running around having a good time like some people were still doing. You can go to drive-thrus to get food too if you need to. And I'm sure like the rest of the nation, all that's open here are drive-thrus or like curbside. I want to document this time, just because I know our boys, when they get bigger, they're going to have questions. Leo probably will remember it somewhat. Taylor, I don't think will, because he's just a year old. So I thought it would be neat to look back and they be able to see what it was like during this time, because nothing like this has ever happened in our lifetime. And I hope and pray it never happens again in any of our or our kids' lifetimes. But I just kind of... You're so funny. Hey, will you go put the toilet paper up to Mama? Put it in under the sink in your old bathroom. Thank you. I will pour your glue in. As we pour it in, you each get half of the bottle. Wait, they don't do anything yet, okay? Make sure. Wait, I said wait. Wait a second. Yeah, I know. Hold on just a second. Make sure. I do half. Hold on, Tay. Don't start. Hey, wait a second, baby. Yeah, hold on. Why are you crying? We're gonna finish putting our stuff in.
Here you go. You can use this.
Do you want to do green slime, Taylor?
I told him.
Here, let's take the lid off.
Oh.
Alright, you want to put some green in there? Oh, wow. Okay, that's good. Alright, you can stir it up. What, and you're going to do orange, Leo? Is that hard? It's really hard to open the food colour. good. That's good. Stir it up and see if that's. Yeah, do a little bit. We'll see how that. Okay, now stir it up. Oh, is it turning orange?
Yep. I love orange. Orange is my favorite color. Red make orange.
Red and yellow make orange.
Yeah, Mama, look at this sign.
You finally know it's you and you only so hard trying to show it. Give you my all, I promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you.
Oh, did the green go away?
Can you see it?
We made our slime. Taylor, go away.
Yes?
Do you want to touch the slime with your hand? Want to catch it?
Hey, Mama.
No.
Hey, Mama, I want to do it with that.
Well, you don't have to stir yours up anymore. See, look, you can pick it up and play with it. Did you all like making slime?
Yeah, we had
Yeah.
fun.
And have fun. The boys are napping. I've got one on me here, got one laying over here, and I'm just cuddled up with them, Preston, watching a movie. It's my quiet time. Taylor is still napping. Leo has woken up though. He doesn't sleep as long as Taylor does. And I am getting ready to fix my favorite meal. It's Pepperidge Farm Cinnamon Toast, Jif brand whips, the whipped peanut butter and chocolate. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. Leo, did you say you want banana on yours? Okay.
No. We can't get our spot.
It's raining hard.
And Mama, can I open my time? Can I go back? No day.
Rain, rain, go away.
No. Come back in no day.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm a mess. I'm working on the boys' room. And if you're been a subscriber to my channel for a while, you know that I redo the boys' room a lot. And if you have kids, you probably understand why. It is time to get serious about this toy situation. Because it's out of hand. And this summer, I'm not gonna wanna be picking up the house constantly because they're gonna wanna go outside and play. And I would prefer my house not be a total disaster the whole summer. So for up here in their room, all that they're gonna have are their costumes. I brought up the toy box, which was mine when I was little. And I'm gonna fill it full with all their dress up stuff, their dress up accessories. They have hooks on the wall to hang up their costumes. And then the only other toys that will be up here are their thing of cars, because I ordered them a new rug that looks like a little town so they can play with their cars on that rug. And their piano will be up here.
Hello guys, my name is DECLUTTER. Hello guys, my name is DECLUTTER. Bye guys.
Okay, so I have everything organized up here in the room that is gonna stay. And it looks so much better. If you want to see the full video of me cleaning out their room and organizing everything, then check out my clean with me. I'll have it linked below. So I just like making their beds once their sheets and everything are clean and putting their stuffed animals back on. But I wanted to show you guys. Now they just have their piano up here and their trunk with all their pirate stuff, their cars, and then all of their costumes and accessories are in here, the smaller ones. Then they have a few costumes hanging over here. And then for like the bigger stuff where their beds are so far off the ground, I just put it under here. So there's 2 cars over there I need to get. So all of Leo's like dress up hats, Indiana Jones and Woody, that I didn't want to get smashed, I just slid in and under. He has his astronaut helmet, his Buzz, and then he has football pads under there. So I really don't like putting stuff under the beds, but it's good storage for their bigger stuff. And then under Taylor's bed over here is just those big masks. It's a big cat and pumpkin mask. And since all their cars are gonna be up here, I'm gonna bring their racetrack, and I think it'll slide in and under that part of Taylor's bed really nicely. Let's go get you this.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright, let me grab your milk for you.
Okay.
Yes. I don't know if you saw when you looked in there, but I put the ranch with the tenders because I figured that's where they were going.
Thank you. You too. What, baby? Let's go home and eat. I'm gonna use. I can't, baby. Hold on a second, okay? Use my hand sanitizer and get on the road. So me and Leo ran out just to go through the drive-thru to get us something to eat. Even though we are on mandatory lockdown, we can still go out to get food, and obviously all restaurants are drive-thru only. So that is what we did. We are heading back now. We're gonna eat. After cleaning up today, I showered, and we are just gonna hang out this evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this daily vlog. I've enjoyed making them. I hope you guys are enjoying watching them. Leo, please don't whine, okay? But we're gonna say goodbye here. We're gonna go home and eat and relax, rest. It is Wednesday, so The Masked Singer comes on tonight. We absolutely love that show, so I'm excited to watch it tonight. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye, guys.